Determinants. A is equal to det of 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. First, to calculate this one in shortcut, you will take a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3 as the known numbers. So det of, in the place of a I will substitute 1, 1 square 1, 1, b 2, 2 square 4, 1, c 3, 3 square is 9. So you have to expand the row or column. Whatever may be, the result is same. So we will write first 1. This is first row, first column. We will take plus 1. So this number. After taking this one, you have to remove that row and that column. You will get 2, 4, 3, 9. So next, first row, second column. This is the odd number. So minus 1. For this, we have to remove that row and that column. We will write 1, 4, 1, 9. And another one, this is first row, third column, that is the even number. We will take as that, removing that row and that column, we will write as 1, 2, 1, 3. First of all, you have to know the det value of the formula. Det ABCD is nothing but AD minus BC. That are the numbers. We have to multiply A into D minus B into C. So we will find 2 9s 18, 3 4s 12. Similarly, 1 9s 9. 4 1s are 4. This is 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. So 6 minus 5 plus 1. So 7 minus 5 is 2. The shortcut. The result in multiple choice, the result answer is A minus B into so A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. In that multiple choice also, we have to substitute the values, A value, B value, C value. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. In the place of that, I am substituting 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1. So this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is 2. So here minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 2 is 2. So after getting the result, both the shortcut and the multiple choice answer both are same. So answer is A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. This shortcut. So first of all, after giving that, whichever may be, whatever may be, any difficult also, no problem. We have to take the values A, B and C. After substituting the values, we will find the determinant. We will find the determinant and we will go to the multiple choice question. In multiple choice, here one value is A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. In this also, we will substitute the A value, B value, C value. After substituting the values, we get 2. So both result is same. So then the final answer is 1A square, 1B square, 1C square equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. If the in order the answer is not same, then we go to second multiple choice bit. Second multiple choice also we will substitute same one. If the result is equal, that is the correct answer. Det of second example. 1 omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. This is omega. This is the complex number. We know that the omega is a complex number. We know the omega cube value is 1 and 1 plus omega square is 0. This is the sum of cube roots of unity, that is 0, and omega cube is 1. So I am using the operation. We can use operation, we can use det. In this I am writing as, so C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. What is the meaning of C? C is the column. So I am applying the operation C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So in the place of C1, we have to add C1, C2 and C3. Both we have to add. Here C1 is 1, C2 is omega and C3 is omega square. In the second row also, we will use the operation omega plus omega square plus 1. So in third row also, you use omega square plus 1 plus omega. We are changing only the operation C1. Other than the numbers we will write same as usual. You will write omega, omega square 1 and 1 and omega. But we know that the value of 1 plus omega square is 0. So 0. Whenever in the determinant, whenever the row and column is 0, complete 0, then the determinant value is 0. If complete first row or first second row or third row, even you will write first column or second column or third column. If complete row or column is 0, then the determinant value is 0. So first we will write first row. I am expanding. Whenever you have to find the first number, you have to delete that row and that column, and we get is omega square 1 and 1 and omega. Next, second element, first row second column means there is the odd number, you have to put symbol minus. So you have to remove this first row and second column. After that you will get omega 1 and omega square and omega. And last element, first row third column, that is even number. I am writing the eliminating that first row and third column. You will get omega square and omega square 1. We know that the determinant of that ABCD is AD minus BC. In that you will multiply. AD means omega cube 1 into 1. And here also omega square minus omega square. In this AD is omega. Omega square into omega square is omega power of 4. In multiplication, whenever bases are same, we will add the powers. So omega square into omega square means omega power of 2 plus 2. That is 4. We will write here. In the place of omega square into omega square, here both bases are same. Then we will add the powers. So we got omega power of 4. But we know omega cube value is 1. Here same numbers. Omega square minus omega square is 0. So we will write omega power of 4 as omega cube into omega, because we are splitting that one. So the value for, we know that the omega cube is 1. We can write omega power of 4 as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means we will split this one as omega cube into omega. So we know the value of omega cube. 1 into omega is omega. So 0 minus 0, omega square into omega minus omega cube is 1 into omega. So 0 minus 0, omega square, omega minus omega is 0. So the value is 0. So we can use the operations, or we can expand the determinant. Whatever be the result is same. Answer is 0.